Imagine watching these jaw-dropping videos of supercars getting absolutely destroyed. And guess what? None of it is real. These insanely realistic videos are 100% AI generated. So real, so mind-blowing, millions of people are getting hooked, and they don't even know it's AI. These videos are racking up millions of views, going insanely viral across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And here's the crazy part. You don't need a real supercar, and you definitely don't need a wrecking ball. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create these insanely realistic videos yourself, all with free AI tools anyone can use. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making viral destruction videos that people can't stop watching. Now let's get started. The first step is getting detailed image prompts. Having the right prompt makes all the difference. To make this process as easy and smooth as possible for you, I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use image prompts. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so be sure to check it out. If you've made it to this part of the video, hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more amazing creators like you. Now let's get back in. First, find the video that inspires you, the one with the style or scene you want to replicate. Play the video, pause it on a frame that really captures the look you're going for, and take a clean screenshot of that exact moment. Once you have the screenshot, quickly crop it so you're focusing just on the key parts: the car, the environment, and anything important in the scene. Save the cropped image to your device so it's ready for the next steps. Now head over to the Google Doc I've linked down in the description and copy the image prompt. Once you've copied the prompt, open up ChatGPT. Import the screenshot you just saved by uploading it directly into the chat. After the image loads, paste the prompt you grabbed from the Google Doc right into the chat and hit enter. ChatGPT will analyze the image you uploaded along with the prompt you gave it, and it'll generate a custom image prompt that mimics the style, atmosphere, and detail of the original, but with brand new twists like different car models, new backgrounds, fresh settings, and more creative ideas. It's like cloning the original, but giving it a completely unique spin. If the first set of prompts isn't enough or you want more options, you can simply ask ChatGPT to give you additional variations. By following this method, you'll be able to create endless viral content. Now that we have our image prompt ready, the next step is to generate our images. For this step, we're going to use Ideogram. Open up Ideogram in your browser. If you don't already have an account, signing up is super quick and completely free. Once logged in, click on the plus icon and you will be presented with the creation interface where all the magic happens. Before we paste anything, we need to fine-tune a couple of important settings. First, change the style option to realistic. This is crucial. It will give your AI-generated cars the highly detailed, almost photorealistic look that hooks viewers and makes them believe what they're seeing is real. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. This vertical format is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, or any content that's optimized for mobile viewing. Now jump back over to ChatGPT, where we created the image prompt earlier. Copy the first prompt, then head straight back to Ideogram and paste the prompt into the text field. Then hit Generate. Ideogram will get right to work processing your prompt. In just a few seconds, it'll create 4 different variations based on the prompt you provided, each one with slight differences that make every option unique. Take your time here to scroll through all 4 generated images carefully and simply download the one you prefer to your device. Now repeat the exact same process to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to animate our images into videos. And for this, we're going to be using Kling AI. Open up Kling AI, and if you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. Once you're in, click on the plus icon, then select Image to Video, and you'll be taken straight into the creation interface where all the magic happens. Now upload the first image you want to animate, the one you just generated with Ideogram. Once your image finishes uploading, it's time to guide the animation by using a custom video prompt. Head over to the Google Doc I shared earlier and copy the video prompt, then head back into ChatGPT. Paste the video prompt into ChatGPT, hit enter, and in just a few seconds, you'll get a highly detailed animation prompts tailored to make all your image move in a realistic and captivating way. Once ChatGPT gives you the animation prompts, copy the prompt related to the image you want to animate, then head back over to Kling AI. Paste the prompt into the animation field. And now let's tweak a few important settings. First, change the mode to standard. This setting will give you a much faster generation time while still maintaining great quality. Then select the duration you want. You can choose between 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how long you want your video clip to be. Once everything looks good, click Generate and let Kling AI do its thing. In a few moments, your static image will be transformed into a smooth, animated video that looks like it was professionally made. Preview the video to make sure you're happy with how it turned out. If it looks good, download it straight to your device. Then simply repeat the process to animate all your images into videos. The next step is to create the perfect background music for our video. For this, we will be using Suno. Head over to Suno. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Once you're in, click on the music icon and you'll be taken straight to the music creation interface where you can start building your soundtrack. Since we're only looking for background music, make sure you select the instrumental option. This will tell Suno to focus purely on creating a clean atmospheric track that won't distract from the visuals. Now head back over to ChatGPT. Ask it to suggest a style of music that would perfectly match the images. Hit enter and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a style recommendation. Copy the music style suggestion, head back to Suno and paste it into the music prompt field. Give your track a title, then click Create and let Suno work its magic. In just a few moments, Suno will generate 2 instrumental tracks based on the style you provided. Take your time to listen to both. Now download the one you prefer to your device. The last step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we're going to use CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project, and import all the animated clips you created earlier into the timeline. First things first, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 so your video fits perfectly on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If you notice any logos or watermarks on your clips, just click on the clip, stretch or scale it slightly until the watermark is pushed off the screen and no longer visible. Go through each clip one by one and clean them up using this method to keep everything looking seamless and professional. Next, let's add transitions between the clips. Click on Overlays, then scroll through the options, and pick a transition style you prefer, then click Apply to All, so the same transition automatically connects all your clips, keeping everything consistent and polished. Next, import the custom track you created earlier in Suno and drop it into the timeline. Trim or adjust it as needed so it fits the length of your video perfectly and keeps the energy going from start to finish. Next, we add sound effects. To get the perfect sound effects, head over to 11 Labs sound effects section. Paste in the same animation prompt you used earlier for each clip, and let 11 Labs generate sound effects that perfectly match the action happening in your scenes. Download the sound effects, import them into CapCut, and place them carefully throughout the timeline, matching each smash or movement with the right sound. Once everything is in place, watch your entire video from start to finish to make sure it's well edited. If you're happy with how it looks, click on Export, then increase the video resolution up to 4K and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments.